Yeah, I'm still managing.
You were drinking water instead of wine. What was I supposed to do? Phil's right. I was never also when she was pregnant. Unless she does it. All right. See you. Congratulations. How far along? Only 3? Good gravy. How many babies are in there? Okay, let's talk about something that won't hurt you. I read an interesting fact about it. Try again. I'm being interviewed on public radio this Friday. He's trying to get more funding for the physics department, so they want me to go out and talk to them. Really? Do you? Well, they picked the right person for the job. Thank you. Expansion started way back. Began to cookie on a trophy, began to cookie and all developed tools we put the point on the mirrors. Hi, I'm Ira Plato. This is Science Friday. Joining me today is my guest physicist, Dr. Leonard Hofstadter. We'll talk about all of the exciting research they're doing. Is that really how I sound? It is. That's just good to know. I told you this voice was annoying. You didn't want to listen.
Hey!
You're saying it's odd?
Just... Hey.
What happened in 5 years since the discovery of the Higgs boson? Wow, that's hard to say. There's so much going on. We've been collecting tons of data that could revolutionize the way we understand the universe. For instance, there's a particle called the spark, which will live through supersymmetry. That is interesting. Have you found it? What, the spark? Yes. No. Wouldn't that be exciting? But we're also looking for this electron, the neutrino, and the neutrino. No, have you found it all? One time, I was on this corner of my choice. It cost me $2 billion to buy her smoking behind the gym. So what have you done? Nothing else. I already know. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do. Doesn't even realize it hasn't. But I remain calm. In fact, that's the best minds of all. Okay, sounds like he's back on track. Okay, so much money. I don't know about anything really good.
Ilan ang taro?
It's just trying to be smart, supportive, holding alive the love of my life, big physics. Might not want to mention that to lady fiance. Hey guys, hey, how's it going? What? Got something to say? I think I just said it. PFF. Look, I was just speaking the truth. No, we're scientists. Isn't that what we're supposed to do? Oh, what would you know about the truth? You thought Phantom Menace was not half bad. I told you that confidence. Don't, everybody just let him go. We get lucky, maybe one of us start crying. Can we just drop this and have lunch with us?
Walang po ka, walang
Which is ironic because if you had Fowler's palsy, you wouldn't be able to cross your fingers.
I'm surprised Sheldon's not out here playing with all your new toys.
Actually, I haven't told you about it. We've been getting so much more funding than physics. That's it.
So you're just gonna hide your success from him?
No. Am I terrible?
No. I do that too. I always thought my company retreat was in Boise.
It's such a relief. Part of me was worried I was being unfair to Sheldon.
Yourself when I get away. Just like I did with last year's bonus trip.
Students want to see more.
Yes, Dr. House.
Right, sit or stand. Consult us. I know I
Some donors asking, why are you giving us money if physics isn't dead?
I didn't say it was a dead end. I just said that I would wait.
So if I just said I was worried you might not have a job next week, how would you feel?
Lightheaded and glad you asked me to sit down. Just tell me.
I'm gonna need you to make a statement saying that you spoke and that you're confident that this is close to the end. I think that you're one of the smartest physicists ever seen. See? Lies. They're not that hard. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, it's like you've been busy.
I have. Dark matter, reconciling gravity and quantum mechanics, supersymmetry. I have figured out the biggest problems in physics today.
Wow. Solve them all.
No, I just not figured out that they're the biggest problems.
Is this about what Leonard said on the radio?
Absolutely not. And I do not want to talk about that. Please just talk about anything else.
We can talk about my day.
Walk right into that one, didn't I?
Well, since you sort of asked, I actually had a very good day. Got this new equipment for my lab.
Well, congratulations. I got some new equipment too. These markers. They smell like fruit, which I did not notice when I bought them. They don't really care for me. It doesn't.
No, that's typewriter.
Ought to be enough. It's not so narrative.
No typically replacing longer again.
That doesn't help you.
I called him in the administration.
Look at my bad boy getting called as principal.
Well, technically now the principal of the standing committee that oversees the budget.
Oh, look at my bad boy answering questions nobody asked. I probably said you've done things in the video because the worst thing happened. You did? You got another job?
Yeah.
Probably says physics is that are special skills.
But I can fix it. I just need a matter of traction. I don't need it. This week, sell out and keep my job.
Great.
Boy. What? I know you're mad, but I have to read a statement that says the physics community is close to a breakthrough, and since you actually believe that, I think it really is very helpful. Sorry, I can't collect it like that. I can't, because I think you were right. Not all science pans out. We've been hoping supersymmetry was true for decades, and finally we've But not surprisingly, with many of them down to every last drop. Oh, but I do have several bottles of Romulan ale that I bought at Comic Con. I just died. First visit is now Romulan ale. What else would you like to dedicate on? Sorrows.
In mouthwash? Man, that is so here.
Was briefly legalized during the alliance between the Romulan Empire and the Federation at the time of the Dominion War.
No, I'm impressed.
Alright, what about my lab that was here? He sent to me. He said I hope all your correlations turn out to be suspicious.
You're a successful woman.
Has he ever called you to tell you about coconuts in one shell or shell that has? I guess we could brag to each other. As I came up with it.
So much money in pharmaceuticals. Want better
Ay, sakit ka. Ayan.
That's great. I don't have assistants.
Because that's when the benefits come to the private sector.
Yeah, you've got that. I've got my integrity. Hard to say which is better without making people mad.
Terus
Wider things, your theories.
Worse than that. So you don't know the right or the wrong or where to go. Why I was yes.
Nami ako, di ba, isa? Ulang guys, na ako. Ulang ko,
Always gonna
gamit na ninyo. Gamit na ninyo. Ay, on yung gigamit na ninyo 3 days. Ay, dili man ay ko.
let her kill it. And I don't know who the Romulans are, but those guys know how to burn it. Another scientist, true.
Dili awat na to ako isang ito. Sada.
You don't need to be cheered up. Turns out that this is exactly like the boss. It started out great. Turns out to be
Ikaw, tanong ko niya ang muga. Ikaw na chicken guys. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have 2 babies. Babies are great. You know, babies. I mean, look at me. I'm never gonna have babies. You should put a baby watching Netflix with your dog.
Naano pa yung order sa Shopee?
I may not make as much money as you, but at least I know that I'm actually doing something that puts me in my success.
Charot yung pala mo, Jollibee? Stress na pala ni stress. Ito yung i-quality niya, i-gamit. Ay, ganun yan. Uy, ganun yan. Ito. Stay na ka na.
It happens to be a side effect.
Leah. Leah. Are you Leah? Leah. There's Leah. May. Leah. Are Leah? Abi na ko kay. Sa kay yaw na. Pwede ka ako sa lang Hello.
It might be a little corny, but I say hold on now with all the science
Oh, I got to see it run.
I got bit by a squirrel. I had a good rainbow shot. I tried so hard. My heart
Exciting. You guys need to date.
Better. You can just save them all in here right now. How can you meet on June 15th? It's the day after Flag Day. Everybody partied at the. It's a date. It's not just a date. It's a textbook optimization problem. There is a perfect date. Just like there's a perfect temperature and perfect time. And love cake in the shape of a dinosaur chocolate frosting. And then ice cream on the side, not touching. You'll see. Have it our way. Want a pen? If you give me enough time, I can do the same thing with a wedding date. It needs to be on the weekend, not near any of your birthdays, or the weekend of Comic-Con.
Oh, you can get married at Comic-Con. Just a weekend date. We're gonna get on a I think get your ducks in a row today would have been perfect.
Expansion started. Wait, I like the sight of it. You know what I like? Smooth jazz.
Just knew in time I wanted to have feel welcome and let her know the office is full of liars and where everyone takes credit. Are you listening? I wanted to think I'm happy.
You have two single friends.
I just met this one. How many people have we get to know?
trying to make this way. Why can't there just be 1 week each month for famous people? They've already arranged for it. Why can't I find a perfect day? Now the perfect way to say hi to Cowboys. I'm just saying, maybe there's a part of you deep down that just wants to relax a little, you know? Come back. What else? So are you really not going to finish that bird? And then just finish one, baby.
Tatay rin ako.
Thank you. Okay, 3, 4, 1 else.
Taps.
You were born in
Hindi
Japan.
kinalasahan.
Have you ever been to the Bukita Marikapa?
You know I haven't.
Kasi yun ang binili ko. Mapapapo.
I've also never been. I've never been. Lots of places. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, you know, if you would run ahead and
No, nahurot yung mga. Nahurot ng panghatang.
hamburgers, am I right? Well, I'm an astrophysicist. He sounds comic books to you. Actually, I own my own store. In like I check it out sometimes. Running out of motion, but anything you get taken out for a reason. Yeah, Stuart's struggling financially, but he doesn't let him know. He believes himself, even though he's playing their operation. Yeah, but you're good with hope.
By the way, it's no price.
meant this for him?
No, so I violated his privacy. This is how happy he sounds.
What are you listening to? Oh, come on, I want to hear. I see why you turned it off. That guy sounds like an idiot. Don't be silly. My voice is deep and sulphurous, like a Caucasian James Earl Jones. Luke, I'm your father.
It is you. You understand.
So you spied on me last week?
Something I'm sorry. You've been telling us every night. I wonder if it meant something. Are you sure? I mean, if that's what you take regular days, it's possible that when the sleep aspect of
I think she and I have already. Because you're Indian?
Basta nakato siya na naman.
And the next time you meet a woman, maybe
Sa test, mamito.
Bernadette was there last night. Did she say anything when she got home?
yeah, she said right.
Dito, matarapat. Bernadette.
Kaya pastor na siya.
Oh, gawin-gawin. Balihin ko sa Eric. Iupo. Lamig kay box mo.
Sa gulo.
Pinadala na sa akin yan. Wait, tawagan ko lang.
Balimuros, wala nang iringan.
Mr. Hyde.
Ayan. Sino nung isa?
Stress because you're scared about your marriage.
Tanungin mo kung anong password ng cellphone niya. Tanungin mo kung anong password ng cellphone niya.
When they changed the green Skittle from lime to apple.
Malayo. Sabihin mo ha.
Ang mga comment ano lang ko. Pero saan ko na pagkuha sa mga program mo ni book sa bata. Joke yun, lagi kayo di ba? Ito wala lagi ko na.
And then we actually have multiple centers of consciousness.
Para sunubo ng bata. Ay, dito ko remote nga sa ang buntingon daw ako man kay sunubo ng bata ko niya. Nagawa ka ng bagong bata. Yung isa naman nagkuha. Nagawa ng bagong bata pa.
Experience.
Akan lang daw. Ako siya dito sa comment. Gusto ko siya? Oo, parang itong masok. Bakit Indian na about daw kung nung kasi dito na naliligo? Ano lang mga comment niya ng mga comment niya ng mga comment.
I have always been intrigued by the official footwear for my back.
Vlogger na siya da.
Okay, sure.
Of course, if my feet are going to be exposed, I need to update my tetanus booster.
Makes sense.
Well, there is with a flu shot and a whole check.
You know, I've never
Oo, nasa
Nice knowing you.